with this video. Alright, so here it is. This is the complete setup. We have the library on the left, we have all the parts on the bottom for display, and this is the complete setup. You know, the $1,000 computer and everything completed. We're talking about the monitor, keyboard, mouse, lighting, camera, everything is here, and all these items are in the budget affordable price, less than $100 for each. Everything's on the description below. So let's get started, and of course enjoy PUBG in the background as I start this video. Alright, so first up we're going to need the monitor, and I went with Acer's H6 Series 23 IPS LED HD monitor in black, and I got my hands on this good monitor on Best Buy for $100, and it's still going on for $100. I do know that it's only for a limited time. It'll go back to its original price, so first come first serve on this. But it's a great monitor, 23 inches. It has a beautiful display, of course, 60 hertz refresh rate for gaming. I know that nowadays 144, but we're talking about budget, and I decided to just go with 60 hertz. It's just an all-out beautiful black monitor, and the quality in the image, as you can see on this video, is very great. The only downside is that there's no speakers, and if you want speakers coming from your monitor, this is not the one for you. But you have alternatives. You have audio jacks. You can put your own speaker like I did, or if you're like me, all you need is just your headset, and that's all. But this monitor, it's great. It's the best at its price, and it's quality, and it's from Acer, and I highly recommend this monitor for just $100 bucks. Next up on our list is the mouse and keyboard, and I decided to go with Red Dragon. And this is the Kurama Red LED mouse, and what I love about this mouse is not only the theme, but the fact that it's $12.99, and you can get your hands on this on Amazon, and it's good quality. It's a steal. It's just at $12.99, it's really hard to beat, and the fact that it goes well with the theme, I highly recommend this mouse. As for the keyboard, I had to go with a mechanical keyboard, of course, but again, keep it on the budget, so I continue with black and red theme, and I was recommended to Red Dragon's K552 Kurama. And what I love about this keyboard, it's not that it's only $30 on Amazon, but the fact that it's an awesome keyboard. It has this cool feel, and if you're into mechanical keyboard, the sound, the clicking is just awesome. The camera can't capture how good it looks, unfortunately, because of the lighting, but the fact is this: it's a good gaming keyboard. I have nothing bad to say about the mouse or the keyboard. Both combined, it looks great, it's affordable, and for less than $50 you could get your hands on these two things. So I highly recommend these two items, the keyboard and the mouse from Red Dragon. So with that, we have everything for a functioning computer, you know, desktop, monitor, gaming, keyboard, and of course the mouse. And we have all these three items for $150 combined. Now these extra items, of course, are very cheap, very affordable, and it's just add-ons. And first up is, of course, is a gaming mouse pad. A lot of people like small gaming mouse pads, but I like the very extended large ones just to fill my entire table. And I recommend, and I'm sorry if I mispronounce this, but it's Vipa MZ, and you can get your hands on this extended mouse pad for $11 on Amazon, and I love it. It's a beautiful pad. I love the texture, and it's great quality. Next up, of course, if you're doing streaming or you want to do Skype or any such things, of course I recommend right now that it dropped in price, Logitech's HD Pro webcam, the C920, and it's the one that I'm using right now. I love the camera. It captures great quality, but of course you're going to need something else for it, and it's of course some better lighting. I don't have good lighting where I'm stationed in my room, of course, so I did buy some lighting to make the videos. All my videos are recording with the lighting and the camera, so I recommend this light, and it's from Insignia, and it's a universal video light, and you could get your hands on this for about $25 on Amazon and on Best Buy. The thing about it is, not Amazon doesn't primarily sell it. You have third parties, so keep an eye on that it'll be different prices, but it's around $25 to $30. And if you want a tripod for the lighting, get Targus digital tripod, the 5060 TR, and it's only $10. And last but not least that I forgot to mention is the table. And what I recommend on table, I will not recommend my table, and I'm not going to include it in this video because I don't think it's a good table. I love the table. It has a library section and everything fits well, but the thing is, the chair, where I position the chair, is so far to the right. I'm never centered in the computer, so I do not recommend that. What I do recommend for a table, looking online, is the following. The first one, based on the budget and of course reviews and recommendations, Tribe Signs Modern Simple Style Computer Desk. It's a 47 by 23. I like wooden desk. I like them to keep simple. I like to have the space in the bottom. It's kind of like what I wanted with my computer, but I had a little library section on the side. You can get your hands on this for $109. And the next one for gaming, it's a little iffy on these, not my type of desk, but of course for the price, for $97, you could get this Origami RDE 01 computer desk. My personal opinion, I would tell you, go to other stores. You know, there's a lot of places. You could go to Target, you could go to IKEA, you could go to different places, and I'm sure you could find a better desk for a better price. So with that said, guys, these are all the parts. Everything's on the description. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment any suggestions. If you're new around here, of course, subscribe. I am LDA, and thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, guys.